Do not sleep on this. This was something we've been talking about for months if you've been following along. Please comment, because the reason I'm going through some of the things that we've looked at in the past is because of your comments. So the more you comment on what you want to see, that's how I create the content. And I've gotten a lot of requests for more educational content, and we're going to start doing a lot more of that, I believe. So here you are with XBI, and you're right here, and you're setting up to break out, and you're setting up to push. 97.19, okay? That's where you're at right now. 97.19, and you're setting up to push and go forward. If you can get through that, we're looking well past triple digits. I thought we might not get there for a year when we started trading it, but you can get up to this 115. I'm getting a lot of requests to start looking at names like this again. VRTX. Okay. I'm not suggesting not to, but we've been bitten by this one so many times. I kind of want a little bit confirmation. You are seeing a little bit of froth come in the market. You saw this bingo run up, but this may be because more people are using their product. They had some really good news, but look at that volume. But I think people are using that product more than they're using something like this. I have to look a little more into it. And anyone that can comment on it, that'd be great. One does long gene sequencing, the other one does short gene sequencing. And you can see how this gapped down, and that just happened to gap down at the same exact time that this one started going up. So if you're also looking at that space, and I know I'm throwing a lot out there today, and I'm doing it on purpose because you're at in my opinion, a fundamental shift in the market. We've been saying it for some time. If you've been following along in the newsletter and what we're putting down, all the higher highs. You could start looking at Arkg. I mean, I know that everybody trashes her, but this is a really easy thing to buy and forget about and just watch trade up, pop possibly 20% there and kind of go from there. You could look at something like that. That's very, very doable. But overall, if you don't know what to do, I'm going to tell you that I would be focused on these 3X ETFs because now you don't have company specific risk. Okay. Again, if you've been following along with us, these were the buys that we started: 440, 690, 10. You can go back old videos. It's all time stamped, so you can follow along. But if you take a look down here, we took a shot because we had these two little tweezers. I'll blow that up a little bit. And I just said, we undercut and then we already reversed. If we flip, let's just give it a shot and let's start a position. And we did, and then it rebuilt, got to somewhere at 6. And then we've just been playing with it ever since. But something like this is just getting started. And I think by the end of the year, you could be up to here. And now you don't have company specific risk, right? You don't know if you're going to be in the one that blows up or the one that goes higher. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.